In this video, we'll show you how to install a distressed wood candelabra chandelier. Along with all parts of the light fixture, we only need a plier. Before the installation, cut the power. Step 1. Assemble the light fixture. Remove the wooden cap and cover plate from the base. Insert the main wire and light arm with wires into the base, fixing with washer and nuts. Twist wires together and connect the main wire with wire connectors to wire bundles, matching the color. Install back the cover plate and wooden cap. Then disassemble the central body. Insert the main wire through the central body and the nut. Attach the upper end of light arm to the central body, fixing with washer and nuts. Screw in the threaded rod and tighten the nut. Put on the cover plate and wooden cap, facing the washer and nut. Step 2. Connect trunk to the light fixture. Feed the main wire through the bottom trunk connector and screw it onto the wooden cap. Feed the main wire through trunk and the top trunk connector. Step 3. Fix the mounting strap and connect main wire to wires and ceiling. Step 4. Attach the canopy to the mounting strap, screwing the top trunk connector and fixing the retaining nut. Step 5. Install the sleeves and bobs. That's it. Turn on the power and test. For more information about Homery and our products, please visit our website.